The Trump administration has announced a new effort to isolate the International Criminal Court, a move that could undermine international criminal justice and affect U.S. foreign policy and alliances. The announcement was made in Washington, where officials outlined steps to limit cooperation with the court. This action signals a shift in U.S. engagement with international legal institutions. The move to isolate the International Criminal Court could undermine international criminal justice and affect U.S. foreign policy and alliances. By limiting cooperation, the administration may weaken the court's ability to prosecute war crimes and human rights violations. This could alter the balance of global legal norms and strain relationships with allies who support the ICC's mandate. The information about the Trump administration's effort to isolate the International Criminal Court is based on a single Reuters report. Confirmation from other sources is pending, and details about the specific measures remain unclear. The lack of additional reporting means that the full scope and implications of the initiative are not yet fully understood. Trump announced the reinstatement of the Iran blockade, and the United States will charge a 20% surcharge on cargo transiting the Strait of Hormuz, according to a Reuters report. The move signals a tightening of U.S. sanctions on Iran and could affect global oil flows through the strategic waterway. The United States will impose a 20% surcharge on cargo passing through the Strait of Hormuz, a measure that could raise shipping costs for oil and other goods. This surcharge is part of the broader sanctions strategy against Iran, as reported by Reuters. The information about the reinstated blockade and surcharge comes from a single Reuters source, and further confirmation is needed to verify the details. The lack of additional reporting means that the full implications for international shipping and U.S. policy are still unclear. A person was killed in a shooting involving U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents in Maine, according to a state lawmaker. The incident occurred near the coast, where ICE agents were reportedly conducting a raid. The lawmaker said the victim was shot by the agents during the operation. No further details about the victim or the circumstances have been released. The event has sparked immediate concern among local officials. The shooting has raised concerns about ICE operations and public safety in the United States, potentially prompting a review of policy. Officials have not yet clarified the rules governing the raid or the justification for the use of force. The incident remains under investigation, and it is unclear whether the agents followed proper protocol. The case highlights the need for clearer oversight of federal enforcement activities in remote areas.